Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to a Nokia G11. Firstly, go into Play Store on both devices and install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. Then open it. From this screen here, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other device. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now select Send on an Android and Receive on Nokia. Following that, you need to click on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time to do that, so I will go with only one photo. For example, this one. Choose Send and click on Got it. On Nokia, tap on No Thanks and close this window. Now we have the connection ways. We can scan this QR code by choosing this scanning icon on Nokia, tapping on while using the app only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and tap on Receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!